Do you want to use Link a Reel feature on Instagram? You can link an Instagram Reel to another Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To link a Reel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. You can use the Link a Reel feature during or after posting a video. To use Link a Reel before posting a video, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now, record a video or upload one from your gallery. Edit your Reel if needed, then tap on Next. On the share screen, tap on the Link a Reel button. A new screen will appear showing your previously posted Reels. Select the Reel that you want to link with this. After selecting, add a title for the linked video. This will show at the bottom of your Reel video. Once done, tap on the checkmark icon. Now, tap on the Share button. To use the Link a Reel feature after posting, open one of the Reel videos from your profile. Now, from the right side of the Reel, tap on the three dots menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Link a Reel. Now, select a video to link to at the bottom of this video. Add a title for your linked video and tap on the tick icon at the top. Now, viewers will see the linked Reel video at the bottom of your Reels.